How to post then and now pictures on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner. Now scroll down. Select Memories option. In here you will see different layouts for your memories. In order to post then and now pictures on Facebook, tap on then and now layout. And here you need to add your older photo and add recent photo. To add, simply you need to tap on add button and now you will reach on this page where you have to select photos whether from your Facebook or you can add from device. In the similar way, you need to tap on add recent photo and choose from your gallery or Facebook. Now tap on next button at top right and you will see the preview of the picture. Tap the next button at top right corner and here you can say something about this photo. Or else you can tap the post at top right corner of the screen and successfully post then and now photos or pictures on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.